In the heart of a sun-drenched valley, where mountains kissed the sky and rivers carved the earth, a kingdom flourished. This was the realm of the warrior kings, where legends were born and heroes forged in the crucible of battle. At the center of this epic tale stands King Alaric, a fierce yet noble leader, whose thirst for glory ignites conflict with the rival kingdom of Eldoria, ruled by the cunning Queen Isolde. Their desires clash like thunder, as Alaric dreams of expanding his empire, while Isolde seeks to protect her homeland. As war looms, alliances shift like sand, and betrayal lurks in the shadows. A trusted advisor whispers poison into Alaric's ear, sowing seeds of doubt that threaten to unravel everything he holds dear. The stakes have never been higher, as the fate of two kingdoms hangs by a thread. In the climactic battle, thunderous hooves and clashing steel fill the air. As Alaric faces Isolde on the battlefield, both leaders realize that the true enemy lies not in each other, but in their own ambitions and the cost of glory. The battlefield becomes a stage for redemption and sacrifice. In the aftermath, the kingdoms stand divided but forever changed. Alaric learns that true strength lies not in conquest but in unity, while Isolde emerges wiser, having navigated the treacherous waters of power and loyalty. Their legacies will echo through history, shaping future generations.